Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to show how to make shea butter and moong dal soap. For this I've taken shea butter soap base 1 pound, half cup moong dal powder, we can use up to 3/4 cup, a pinch of salt, 8 to 10 drops lavender essential oil or any other essential oils, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and we need soap mold. First we have to cut shea butter into small cubes so they melt faster. I've taken the shea butter cubes in a steel saucepan and melted by double boiler method. I've taken water in a container. We can place the shea butter pan in this water and start boiling. When we start melting the shea butter, we can keep the heat in medium flame. You can see the shea butter is getting melted. Shea butter is melted. Now we can add the moong dal powder and mix it. Add coconut oil, a pinch of salt and lavender oil and mix it well. Everything is mixed well. We can remove this from the boiling water and pour it into the soap mold. This is a very easy method to make soap at home. We can use sandalwood powder, basin to make soap with shea butter. I'm going to dry this for 3 hours. I dried this for 3 hours. Shea butter moong dal soap is ready to use now. This is a very easy method. You can try this. If you have any questions, you can email it to me. Also subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.